How to transfer money to another bank from Laurentian Bank. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Laurentian Bank of Canada and tap on the very first link you see there. In the interface that you will be led to, tap on the Login button on top of your screen and further tap on the LBC Direct option. You will then be asked to enter your access code, so go ahead and enter your access code and your password and tap on the Login button. Now, navigate to the Transfers section and select Interbank Transfers or a similar option. Further, go ahead and enter the recipient's bank details, that is the account number, routing number, etc. Now, specify the amount you want to transfer and any other required information. Finally, review the details and confirm the transfer. So, this is how you can transfer money to another bank from Laurentian Bank. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.